Soldiers, the market is quiet, suspiciously quiet. Do not let this silence fool you. Today is Monday, and the US markets are closed for Washington's birthday. In the war room, we have a golden rule. Low volume means high manipulation. The price action you see today could easily be a trap designed to liquidate the impatient before the real players return tomorrow. That is why today we are not chasing candles. We are zooming out to look at the macro map. First, we will analyze the general overview of Bitcoin to see if the bull structure is still intact, despite the fear. Then, we will open the economic calendar, because while today is quiet, Wednesday and Friday are packed with data that will decide the fate of your portfolio. But first, standard protocol applies. This is not financial advice. I provide the intelligence. You execute the mission, manage your risk, or the market will manage it for you. Now, let's open the map. First, let's look at the immediate battlefield on the 4-hour chart. Soldiers, do you see this structure? This is a massive symmetrical triangle forming right at the bottom of the range. Price is compressing. Volatility is dying. This is the calm before the storm. But here is the key level you must watch, $71,500. Look at that horizontal yellow line. That is the ceiling. If we break out of this triangle and reclaim $71,500, the technical target is mathematically programmed. We are looking at a measured move straight to the $79,000 to $80,000 region. The spring is loaded. We just need the trigger. Now zoom out. This is where the amateurs get scared, but the professionals get greedy. Look at the weekly RSI. It is sitting at 27.88. Soldiers, let me be crystal clear. In the history of Bitcoin, an RSI this low has only happened during the absolute depths of a bear market bottom. But we are not in a bear market. We are in a bull trend. To see bear market oversold conditions while price is still trading at $68,000 is a glitch in the matrix. It is a generational gift. It tells us that the selling pressure is completely exhausted. The bears have no ammunition left. Do not believe me? Believe the liquidity. Look at the liquidation heat map. For weeks we had bright yellow bands below us, but look now. The downside is empty. We have already flushed the leverage. There is no food left for the market makers down here. Now look up. All the bright yellow bands, the short liquidations, are stacked above us at $72,000 and higher. Market makers are hunters. They go where the liquidity is. And right now, the only meal on the table is the short sellers. The whales know this. Look at the order book. See those massive green lines stacked below the price? That is a wall of limit buy orders. Smart money is stepping in to catch every single drop. They are building a concrete floor under this price action. While retail is panic selling, the whales are laddering in. So, when does the explosion happen? Let's check the economic calendar. Today, Monday, and tomorrow are quiet due to the holidays. Do not trust the low volume chop. The real action starts Wednesday, February 18th with the FOMC meeting minutes. This will give us the Fed sentiment. But the final boss is on Friday, February 20th, the core PCE price index. This is the inflation number that will decide the next rate cut. If this number comes in friendly, it will be the spark that ignites the fuse on that 4-hour triangle. Your orders are simple. Protect your capital during the low volume chop today and tomorrow. Watch the $71,500 level like a hawk. Wait for the Fed catalyst on Wednesday and Friday. We are not gambling here. We are executing a plan based on cold, hard data. The whales are buying. The indicators are screaming bottom. The only thing missing is the trigger. If you are disciplined enough to wait for the confirmation, you will win. If you are ready to ride this next leg up with the smart money, smash that subscribe button and turn on notifications. We don't guess in the war room, we hunt. War room dismissed.